And this video is just to introduce IXL to you just really quickly. So as you can see, I have already logged on to Google Classroom. I have already clicked on classwork. Okay, I always want you to click on classwork when you come into Google Classroom because the assignments are always going to be organized by date. So here we go, classwork. I've clicked on classwork already. I see today's date, Wednesday, August 26th, and I am going to click where it says start here. So I'm just going to read these instructions to you. We will be adding and subtracting integers today. So what we're going to do is we're watching this YouTube video first. Good job, you've already done that. You're watching the video. Then we're supposed to read the instructions below. Here are the instructions. For IXL problems, we are not supposed to use a calculator. Please don't use a calculator. We want to get our brains in mathematics shape, and the way that we do that is by not using calculators. So do not use your calculator. Do not use any other device to do the math for you. You want to only use your brain, okay? So now that we know that, we're ready to go to the next tab, integer and subtraction rules. And once we've done all of the other 3 assignments here, we are done with the day's assignments. So I'm going to click on add and subtract integers, and I'm going to paraphrase the instructions one more time. So there is going to be a video to watch in order to review you for adding and subtracting integers. If you want to watch this video, please do. If you don't think you need to watch it, that's fine. You can go ahead and go to step 2. Step 2 is to complete the attached assignment. Okay, if I scroll down a little bit, I see the attached assignment right here. You will be taken with this link straight to IXL. And this is where you will need to type in your IXL username and password, okay? Please listen closely. I'm about to give you some very important information. If you click on the link and you do not sign in, IXL will let you practice for a really long time before it says you have reached the maximum number of problems you can complete in free mode. Please sign in to continue. And whatever progress that you've made will be erased. It will be gone. Okay? So you must sign in each time you work on IXL, because if you don't, then you start completing problems, then you make all this progress towards completing the assignment, and you lose all of that hard work. So always make sure you sign in first. All right, so it says, please make sure you sign in before you start. Right here, this might be new to anyone who's never seen IXL before. This is a SMART score. I have assigned a SMART score of 90% for this assignment. Okay, we'll get back to that here in just a second. SMART score, 90%, remember that. And when we're finished with this one, we're supposed to go to the next tab, okay? But for now, let's click here. See how it takes me straight to IXL. And I am already signed in. See, it says welcome, and then my name, okay? I am already signed in, but you will have to sign in. If you do not sign in, you will lose your work. Please always sign in first. Okay, so right here, it wants me to add -6 plus 3. Okay, -6 plus 3 is -3. If you need a review on this, I'm going to make a separate video for that. But what I want you to notice is when I type in this answer and I hit submit, see my SMART score right down here. See my cursor circling the SMART score? My SMART score started out at 0 and now it's at 10. Okay, remember from Google Classroom that we need a SMART score of 90%. Okay, so I'm going to keep going. -10 plus -9, -19. Submit. See, my SMART score is now 19. Okay, every time I get a question right, my SMART score goes up. Okay, my SMART score goes up again. Now, what happens if I miss one? All right, what if I said 6 minus a negative 4? Okay, we know that's 10, but what if I said 6 minus negative 4 was 2? Let's see what happens. I have a SMART score of 36. I hit submit, that the answer is 2. It tells me it's wrong, and see, my SMART score has dropped.